In the previous lecture, when we were discussing two-dimensional worlds, we introduced the concept of a right-handed coordinate frame. And just to remind you, the right-handed coordinate frame is constructed like this. We draw the x-axis and then we swing the y-axis up by 90 degrees. A three-dimensional coordinate frame is actually very similar to the two-dimensional coordinate frame. So here is the two-dimensional right-handed coordinate frame that we just introduced. And what I'm going to do now is to rotate that in 3 dimensions. And what we see is that the z-axis was previously hidden. Previously it was sticking up at us out of the screen. To create a three-dimensional right-handed coordinate frame, we start in a similar way. We draw the x-axis, we swing the y-axis so that it makes an angle of 90 degrees to the x-axis, and then we swing the z-axis upwards, and it also makes an angle of 90 degrees to the x-axis and also makes an angle of 90 degrees to the y-axis. There's a very close relationship between the two-dimensional and the three-dimensional coordinate frames. Now, let me put down the two-dimensional coordinate frame, and here is the three-dimensional coordinate frame, and I can overlay the x-axis and the y-axis, and we see that the z-axis points upwards. We refer to this as a right-handed coordinate frame. And the reason we call it a right-handed frame is the orientation of the axes can be defined very simply using my right hand. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis pointing upwards. So whenever we're doing work with three-dimensional coordinate frames, they are always right-handed coordinate frames. This particular coordinate frame that I've built, we have an x-axis and a y-axis. In this one, the z-axis pointing downwards. This is a left-handed coordinate frame. So it's best not to use these. They're going to cause you all sorts of grief. So don't use left-handed coordinate frames. Go with the right-handed coordinate frame. So just to recap, when we create a right-handed coordinate frame, we use this rule, what's called the right-handed rule, and I take my right hand, the x-axis is parallel to my thumb, the y-axis is parallel to my index finger, and the z-axis is parallel to my middle finger.